5 easy ways to make wooden floors shine without wax. Dear friends, wooden floors add warmth and elegance to any home, but keeping them shiny without wax can feel tricky. The good news? You don't need heavy products to bring back that natural glow. First, start with regular dusting and sweeping. Fine dust and grit can dull the surface over time. Use a microfiber mop or a soft broom daily to keep the floor clean and prevent scratches. Second, try a gentle vinegar and water solution. Mix a few drops of vinegar in a bucket of warm water and lightly mop the floor. This helps remove buildup and restores shine without leaving residue. Just don't overuse water. Wood and moisture don't mix well. Third, use a damp, not wet, mop technique. Excess water can damage wood and make it look lifeless. Always wring your mop thoroughly and clean in small sections for the best results. Fourth, buff the floor with a soft, dry cloth or microfiber pad. This simple step can instantly enhance the natural shine by smoothing out minor dull spots. Finally, protect your floors from damage. Use felt pads under furniture, avoid dragging heavy items, and clean spills immediately. Prevention plays a huge role in maintaining that glossy finish. With these easy, wax-free methods, your wooden floors can stay beautiful, clean, and naturally shiny every day. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.